How to make mayonnaise. How long you can store it? Hello, I'm Chef Vivien, French chef. Today we will make mayonnaise. To make mayonnaise you need fresh eggs, of course, because it will stay raw. You need sunflower oil, salt, pepper, mustard and some vinegar. Vinegar, whisker. And you need whisker. A whisker, a whisker, a whisker, a whisker, a whisker, a whisker, or a whisker. Choose your whisker, choose your device, and ready to make mayonnaise. So I will take my old whisker. Let's do mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is a base of many sauce. For instance, tartar sauce, for instance, sauce cocktail that we like to put in avocado and shrimps. Many people say that all must be at the same temperature, so of your ingredients, all ingredients of your mayonnaise must be at the same temperature. So that is why it's better to prepare 20 minutes before, all in the same place, wait a little bit. For mayonnaise, in French mayonnaise, we need only yolk. So let's take yolk and don't throw away white eggs, because with this we can make meringue in order to do a dessert as pavlova, for instance. We separate eggs. Up. 1, 2. We have very fresh eggs, as you see. When the yolks stay very round like this, it's that because it's very fresh. If it won't be fresh, it will be more flat. If it's fresh, it's like this, and if it's not so fresh, it will be more flat, more like this. Little thing important to know when you do mayonnaise. Your bowl must be stable. This one is stable, but if you have this one, it won't be so comfortable to make mayonnaise. That is why I have a little secret of chef. So you take a towel like this, do a kind of circle, and put your bowl like this, and it will be very easy and alone to make your mayonnaise. So we have eggs. We put some mustard. 1, 2. Let's whisk this. And now let's go with oil, sunflower oil. This is very useful because it's a little hole. That is why I can put little by little. If I use a big bottle, it will be more difficult. Just it's an advice. If you have this, it's better. And we start with only some drops. Every step your mayonnaise is more stable. Make it stable. You can go usually till 300 milliliters or 400 even milliliters. Wow, we have the good base of mayonnaise, very nice. We add salt. We add pepper. Mix. I finish with vinegar to make it a little bit more white, to have some sour taste, to cut the fat of mayonnaise. And you will see some recipes where usually people put it at the start. I prefer to control and to put it at the last moment. It's my recommendation to do like this. So let's try this mayonnaise. Fantastic texture and fantastic taste. Sometimes, don't worry, if you don't have red wine vinegar, you can use alcohol vinegar, white clear one. You can use rice vinegar, apple cider vinegar, and of course lemon. lime, depend what you will do with this mayonnaise. Lemon juice will give you a fresher mayonnaise, a fresher taste, but it's different. It's for, I don't know, if you make some salads and where there is a lot of mayonnaise, I recommend you to make it with lemon juice instead of vinegar. And now let's do a little egg mayonnaise as a French style, and I will tell you why every time it's served with salad, tomato and so on. How long you can store it? You can store it maximum 24 hours in your fridge, not more, because after can be risky. So let's do this little starter of all French bistro and all French brasserie, which is egg mayonnaise, œuf mayonnaise. Usually, and it's not hazard, so we need this salad for chlorophyll, these tomatoes for sourness, egg and the mayonnaise for gourmandise, and the chives to make it all a little bit fresher and tastier. It's a usual boiled egg. It's 9 minutes in boiling water with salty boiling water. Cut in 2 halves. It's perfect. It's done. It's perfect. Let's take this, put this salad. It will be stabilize the eggs. And of course mayonnaise. Or you can use a pastry bag. So let's put like this. In the border we see a little bit the egg. In order to add some freshness, some chives, sometimes some parsley, but some very green taste. In the top of mayonnaise, like this. Well, it's a really simple dish. See you soon and bon appétit.